Hello rail fans, and welcome to another French Fried Trains Minecraft train tutorial. I've recently had a request to do a CSX grain hopper, so today we're going to be building this CSX covered hopper. And this is an all new design, different from the covered hoppers I've built in the past, so this is like a prototype experiment to try out a new design here. So let's get right into it. As usual, I'm going to add it to the back of my freight train, and the first step is to take a dark oak stair to be the coupler and get it attached up. Underneath that, we put a dark oak fence gate to be the air hose, and I put it in the wrong spot there. Then we're going to take out brown terracotta for the wheels, and we're going to get a brown terracotta on each rail here with an end rod in the middle to be an axle. Then we're going to take dark oak stairs upside down in a back-to-back T-shaped pattern that comes 3 across the rails. In front of that, another set of brown terracotta wheels with an end rod axle. Then on the outsides, we put a hopper in front of each wheel and another brick fence in front of each stair. Same thing over here. Fences in front of the stairs, hoppers in front of the wheels. Come on top of this truck in the middle with smooth sandstone blocks and put a row of 4 down the middle. Then we're going to turn and face this way with smooth sandstone stairs, one here and one here. Then on the outside, a row of 4 upside down smooth sandstone stairs. Same thing over on this side, upside down and outward facing smooth sandstone stairs, then a smooth sandstone slab here and here. Then we're going to extend this middle down with smooth sandstone block, 5 blocks down. Then we're going to skip a block forward. On the side here, put 3, and 3 over on this side. Then 2 more blocks coming off this middle one. In front of that, we're going to do a 3x3. Then another 3 blocks here, and then another 3x3, and then 1 more block in the middle on the end. Then we'll do our next truck. So brown terracotta on each rail in front of this with an end rod axle, then upside down back-to-back T-shaped pattern of dark oak stairs coming 3 across the rails. Another set of brown terracotta wheels with an end rod axle. Then we're going to put hoppers on the sides in front of the wheels, another brick fence in front of the stairs. Same thing over here. Then we'll extend this middle one down to the end, turn this way with a dark oak stair and get it stacked up to that block. Delete the one used for placement, and underneath it, put a dark oak fence gate to be an air hose. Then we'll turn this way with a smooth sandstone stair, one here and here. Then upside down outward facing stairs down to the end of the car here. Same thing over here. Then a slab here and a slab here. Now we're going to come in with upside down smooth sandstone stairs on the outside edges of this middle beam here. So come to this end of the car, and we're going to go ahead and turn this way, upside down stair there and there, skip forward here and here, skip forward here and here, then we'll turn around and do it this way, so upside down stairs there and there, here and here, and here and here. Now we'll come along these sides here, and we'll put 3 upside down stairs facing outward on each of these 3 bays, just like this here. And we'll go over and of course do the same thing on this other side. So 3 here, 3 here, and 3 here. Then we're going to come underneath it, 1 block in, and 3 upside down stairs here, here, and here. These are going to be the bottom unloading bays. Then on this side we got to turn sideways so it will wrap around a corner. Get 1 facing this way here, 1 here, one here. Then we'll turn the other way and do the same thing. So one facing this way on this end, one here, one here. Then we'll swing around this way and 3 facing sideways. So we have this complete upside down pyramid shape on all 3 of these bays. Now we'll come on top of here with a smooth sandstone block. And on this end, right here above this first gap, we put 3. And then 3 in the middle down here. Then start here and fill in this whole side with smooth sandstone blocks, coming down to the other line of blocks we already made. And we'll do the same thing on this side. So fill this whole side in with smooth sandstone blocks. Then we're going to come around on top of this and make another whole layer all the way around of smooth sandstone blocks. Just keep bringing it all the way around here. Then we're going to come inside and cover these holes with smooth sandstone blocks so you don't see it from the outside. Then on the ends of the car on the top block, upside down stairs facing the end of the car, all the way across. Same thing over here, upside down stairs facing all the way across. Then we'll switch back to a block and come around this end and go all the way around the car with it. Then just like before, another row of upside down stairs here facing the end of the car. And same thing down on this end, another row of upside down stairs. Come back to smooth sandstone block, come across this end and go all the way around with it again. Then same as before, another row of upside down stairs facing the end of the car. And upside down stairs facing the end of the car here. Then back to smooth sandstone. Put 1 up in this corner and we're going to extend it out over the stairs by 1. And then come across the end and go all the way around the car, same as before. And when we get down to this end, we extend it out by 1 again on this end. And then come across and fill in the other side. Then on the end, we're going to fill in this top middle 3 with smooth sandstone block and bring that top middle 3 all the way down to the other end. Then on this top outside edge, smooth sandstone stairs going end to end on both sides of the car. Now come on the top middle with a quartz slab. Start 2 blocks in from the end. We're going to start dragging it down the middle. This one has the loading hatches all the way down the length of the car. When we get down to this end, we'll stop 2 blocks from the end. Then we're going to take iron trap doors, come 5 across the end here to be the walkway, and we're going to bring it all the way around the outside edge of the car. Then we'll put a temporary block on the top middle with an iron trapdoor above it and delete the temporary block so 1 sticks out. Same thing down here. Temporary block in the middle, trapdoor above it, delete the temporary block. Then we're going to take out birch fences and we're going to make a 2x2 here on this end and make it come all the way up till it attaches. Skip the middle and another 2x2 over here. Then we'll come around to the side and we'll start stacking it up on the side here. Same thing over here. And we're actually going to make it come up 3 so it connects with those stairs and looks like it's attached. Then we got to do the same thing down here. So come up with your birch fences by 2 here and all the way up in this corner and make that a 2x2. Skip the middle. 2x2 coming all the way up here. and then another row on this side, coming up 3. Then come down inside of here, where there's that little indentation, and we're going to take an iron trap door, and we're going to put 2 of them across this top, so it's at the same level here. Then we're going to crouch and put 2 grindstones here for the air reservoir, and then on this fence post, we're going to close the jungle trap door to be the handbrake wheel. Now come up on the right hand side of the car, 1 block down from the top, and 2 blocks over from that stair, and we're going to knock out 3 blocks with a gap of space between them to be the CSX logo here. We're going to fill them with coal. Then we'll come around and we'll do the same thing on the other side. So on the right hand side, 1 block down and 2 over from the stairs. Knock out 3 with space of 1 between them and fill it with coal. Now we're going to switch to a polished black stone button. Put 1 underneath just like that in the middle. Then 3 across this middle bay. Then on this end, we come up 1 and we put 3 on the very end, and then 3 dark oak signs above that to be more lettering. So it should look like this. We do the same thing on this other side. So under where that middle coal is on bottom, 1 button, then 3 buttons on bottom across this bay. On this side, we skip 1 up, 3 on the end, and then 3 dark oak signs above that. And there we have it, folks. We've completed this new design for our 3-bay CSX covered hopper. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And everyone have a great week. Stay safe out there, rail fans.